everyone.
Good evening.
Hi, good evening. Hi, Sumit.
Thank you.
Shanti. Manish, could you define today's show? कैसा क्या था क्या inspire किया आपको आज?
Well, I'm in this trip these days where I believe life is beautiful, and I want to express that in any ways possible. And my job is fashion, so I do it through that.
कंगना, आपको भी लगता है life is beautiful?
Life is very beautiful. Life is very beautiful, and I am so happy that Manish is my favorite Indian designer.
Thank you.
And I'm the first actress who's walking for him.
Ever,
So,
ever before, nobody has walked ever in my show.
yeah, he's very snooty. So I think.
Yeah, it's true.
So I think for me like this is the highest point of 2016. जैसे कि मैं मनीष को बता रही थी कि मेरी कोई फिल्म रिलीज़ नहीं हुई तो मेरे लिए मनीष के लिए वॉक करना ही बहुत ज़्यादा एक अचीवमेंट की बात है. And you can see collection is so beautiful. It's so Indian but yet contemporary, and he has used a lot of mirror works, and it's so polished, so beautiful. I mean to the T, I'd say.
Wow.
You think I don't know nothing about?
I
You
know
think I
you
nothing
know.
about fashion?
Hello.
Huh? The actresses know
once
nothing
again,
about fashion.
You are one of the few actresses who knows.
But ये designers को लगता है कि actresses को क्या पता
She
fashion क्या
does.
होता है.
She knows. And it's amazing, I must say, and I'm not this person at all. That the fact that I'm standing with an actress today, I'm not like that. But today I'm fine with it. I'm fine. Because she's the right one.
जब आप walk कर रही थी तो बहुत intense लग रही थी, ऐसा लग रहा था आज smile भी नहीं करेगी.
Very conscious, because I think Manish's woman is all about being very strong, being very badass,
Confident.
confident,
Badass, yes.
And I think that was the character, and that is what I was trying to portray.
You did. Whatever
you.
I saw on the TV, you did.
Thank you.
It's,
You didn't have any film release this year.
Yeah.
But as an actor, as a part of the fraternity, who do you think you should be the best actress award winner this time?
I'm not an award function. I'm not a jury.
No, because there is a lot of divided reaction going on between Sonam's performance and
okay, that's a very controversial question you're asking.
as the event, please.
I'm not an awards jury, and I don't go for
It's
award
not her
functions.
job.
And I don't believe in awards.
It's not your job to
I
decide
don't
who's
go
winning.
for awards, and it's not like he said. It's not my job to decide who should win. I mean, why should I bother?
It's not her part.
I don't care.
If anybody should win, it's her. But she hasn't had a movie, but that's fine.
बहुत very very nervous. I feel very nervous.
किस किस का फैशन आपको इंस्पायर करता है अगर बॉलीवुड में कहा जाए
So, you're the wrong question to ask. I'm standing right here. She has to say it's me.
I think, like I said, see, the thing is, there are so many stylish people around, and everyone's doing great these days. But there are some very special artists, and I think Manish Arora is one of them. He's really, truly our representative in international market, and he represents us so beautifully out there, and we are so proud of him. And I'm so lucky to be standing here and wearing his creation. And look at this. I mean, it's a work of art, and I'm
And it
so
glows.
happy to be. Yeah, it glows, and it's so beautiful.
आपको आपको फैशनिस्टा माना जाता है बहुत स्टाइलिश माना जाता है क्या कभी ऐसा होगा कि आप खुद फैशन डिजाइनर
Well, अभी तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि मैं बन सकती हूँ क्योंकि
No.
because I feel that I have a long way to go, but I think if Manish
You don't need to. I'll make clothes for you.
okay, cool,
I'll
okay,
make
yeah,
clothes
that
for you.
idea is dropped.
You don't need to.
Excuse me, actually the dress you are wearing is very heavy and all that. Do you like something in your personal wardrobe?
I mean, why not? It's too expensive, but I think how much is it for?
Let's not talk about that right now. Let's not talk about the price right now.
You like this kind of heavyweight embroidery stuff?
Why not?
It's for an occasion.
It's for an occasion. I mean, why not? I think
And I think fashion is also about portraying what you have in mind. It's form of art.
yeah.
Unfortunately, we don't practice that in India. But fashion is a form of art.
No, we do practice that in India.
Some of
Yeah,
us.
I mean these
do.
Paris-based designers are very snooty, I must say. But we are standing in India. We practice that in India. We're very proud of our designers.
Yes.
Just that they choose to live in Paris.
No, I live here too.
Yeah, we have to make this country much more artist
We should.
friendly.
We should.
कंगना हाल ही में
कंगना, come back. कंगना, I come back to you. ये आपका पहला मौका है, मुझे कुछ ज्ञान है?
Actually, I have done a show with them many years ago. I don't remember, but let's say it's almost like the first time. Because
कैसा रहा मतलब लाइक एसोसिएशन?
what do you think?
मुझे तो लाइक वंडरफुल वैसे तो
Exactly, I feel the same. And I haven't seen the show because I was backstage. But
कंगना हाल ही में हमारा भी सवाल है।
करण में आलिया ने कहा था कि कंगना का एयरपोर्ट लुक जो होता है बहुत ही अमेजिंग होता है, बट वो जाति का है, मुझे जानना ही है, तो क्या
If I
कमेंट
have to stalk a heroine, she'll stalk.
I think it's very flattering for her to say that because I feel Alia is one of those people who I reach out to and I have very beautiful equation with her and it's very sweet of her to say that you know she wants to know about my whereabouts. So, isn't it? It's very sweet of her.
it's
And,
nice to be aware of each other
Yeah.
in the contemporary world
Yeah.
today. This? Oh, a long time. Very long time.
Let's keep it related to event, please. What is the next?
Well, how much I charge is nobody's business.
Hey,
It's only for me to
let's
know.
talk about the event, please.
Yeah.
That's the last question.
Yeah. बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत बेहतरीन लगा.
We take the last question. We take the last
Managed to say
question.
all
One
these
last
things
decide.
so well. I'm so bad at it.
एम्पावरमेंट के लिए खड़ी होती है, तो हाल ही में इलाहाबाद कोर्ट का एक ऑब्जर्वेशन आया कि आपको अनकॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल कहा गया।
No, let's stick to the event, please. Yes. No, don't answer.
हम सभी ने देखा कि वर्ल्ड के टॉप हैंडसम में हमारे इंडियन एक्टर का नाम आता है, तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे ऐसे लोगों के लिए?
Once again, can we stick to the event, please?
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Come.
Let's go for the. Let's go.